On April 3, 2024, the Constitutional Court, chaired by the Deputy Chief Justice Richard Butera, dismissed a petition by Fox Odoi and 22 others against the Attorney General and Pastor Martin Semper. The petition sought to annul the Anti-Homosexuality Law 2022, arguing that it violated basic human rights such as freedom of association and expression enshrined in the Constitution. The petitioners were particularly aggrieved by the harsh punishments outlined in the Anti-Homosexuality Act, including death and life imprisonment for consenting adults engaged in same-sex relationships. However, the Constitutional Court ruled that the Anti-Homosexuality Law was enacted to protect children and the most vulnerable members of society. This decision did not sit well with the LGBTQ activists, who are now appealing to the Supreme Court to overturn it.
Number 3, we argue the conduct of the presiding officer falls below the standards expected at law. Number 4, we argue that the Anti-Homosexuality Act has the effect of altering substantially decisions of court, past decisions of court in contravention of the Constitution.
Maintaining the Anti-Homosexuality Law violates several freedoms and rights and discriminates against a section of Ugandans, the appellants are seeking a review and annulment of the decision by 7 justices of the Supreme Court.
The Anti-Homosexuality Act imposes a charge on the consolidated fund. There's a prohibition from a private member introducing a bill that has the effect of imposing a charge on the consolidated fund or any other public fund of Uganda.
There are so many people who have been violated by both non-state and state actors. There are so many cases that have been reported of discrimination while accessing health services, discrimination in their own families, being denied access to homes, even though that was removed, but we still have landlords evicting people who are perceived or who are known to be LGBTQ persons.
The Attorney General and Pastor Semper have not yet filed their respective responses.